Welcome to the introduction to Anyone Can Learn Thai Yoga. As I record this, most people are living in isolation, without access to services such as massage therapy. While we cannot change our circumstances, we can choose how we respond to them. Realizing it may be a while before I can offer massages again, I want to share my knowledge and skills with all of you. It's my hope that you will learn this practice together with your family unit and help each other to reduce stress and anxiety while restoring balance to the body. Human survival is not just about our physical body, but about nourishing our emotional, mental, and spiritual bodies. So let's all nourish ourselves together with some Thai yoga. Before we dive into the video tutorials, I want to give a brief introduction to cover the basics. Thai yoga is thousands of years old. It's been passed down generation to generation by word of mouth. It was common for families to practice Thai yoga, helping each other relieve sore muscles and restore balance in the body. At the core of Thai yoga is metta, which translates to loving kindness. It is the compassionate intention of the healer in attention to the work, staying present with the work. It is important to cultivate metta for ourselves before we can show that loving kindness to others. I love this mantra, and I like to say it 3 times. First, replacing all beings with I, and then the second time I say it, I replace all beings with you, before saying it as it's written. You don't have to say this mantra, but do take a moment to ground before beginning each session. Thai yoga is not for everyone, and it's important to check with your healthcare provider to ensure your safety. When giving Thai yoga massages, it's crucial to use proper body mechanics to avoid injury. Always check in with your body. It should feel good to give, and of course it should feel good to receive. As you work with your partner, all movement is initiated from the core. All strength and pressure, it comes from shifting your body weight. You'll want to keep a straight back, no hunching or sway back. Your chest should be open and shoulders relaxed, so not wearing your shoulders by your ears. There are a few basic techniques. All of them are applied in a rhythmic rocking motion. This rocking is very relaxing, just like rocking a baby to sleep. The most common technique is the palm press. To avoid injury to the wrists, you want to engage your fingers, just like in yoga when you're rooted through your fingertips. Next is the forearm roll. Use the forearm close to the elbow, but don't use pressure directly with the elbow here. Begin applying pressure with the soft part so your hand is facing down, and then roll the forearm until the hand is facing up. Here's a quick video to demo that. The finger press is great for narrow areas. Your fingers are straight, shoulders down, and chest open. The thumb press is used for very specific points. And to better support the thumb, close the fist under the thumb. Lastly is stretching. This is where Thai yoga gained the nickname lazy person's yoga. Working with your partner's breath, deepen the stretch on the exhale and release when they begin to inhale. Stretches should be repeated 3 times, increasing the intensity each time. Take your time as you go through the tutorials and pause the video if you'd like more time. One of the most important things to remember is that for many of you, you're learning something completely new. So be patient and most importantly, remember to have fun. And that's it for the brief introduction to Anyone Can Learn Thai Yoga at Home.